In today's video, I'm going to teach you select the sphere and press X. This quick tutorial walks you through the most common way to remove a sphere from your scene, and it's perfect if you want a clean workspace or you're starting fresh with a different object. First, make sure you can see the sphere clearly in your viewport. You'll want to left-click directly on the sphere to select it. When it's selected, you should see a clear visual cue, typically an outline or highlighted color around the object. If you don't see that highlight, try clicking again to ensure the sphere is actually selected, not the background or another object behind it. If you're using a trackpad, a firm single tap acts like a left click. Take a second to confirm that only the sphere is highlighted so you don't accidentally remove something else. Once the sphere is selected, press the X key on your keyboard. This is the shortcut that brings up the delete confirmation. You'll notice a small prompt appearing on the screen asking if you want to proceed. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions and gives you a moment to double check that you've selected the correct object. If you pressed X and nothing popped up, it usually means the object wasn't selected, so return to the previous step and make sure the sphere has that selection highlight. With the confirmation prompt visible, click delete. As soon as you do, the sphere will be removed from the scene. Your viewport should update immediately and you'll see that the sphere is no longer present. This simple sequence, select, press X, click delete, is the most common method for removing an object, and it keeps your workflow fast and consistent. A couple of quick tips as you practice this. If you don't see the confirmation, you may have clicked away or deselected the object accidentally. Try selecting the sphere again before pressing X. If you change your mind after deleting, you can undo right away to restore the sphere, which is helpful during fast modeling sessions. Also, watch the selection highlight carefully. That visual feedback is your best friend for avoiding unintended changes. That's all there is to it. Left-click the sphere to select it, press X to open the delete prompt, and click delete to confirm. Keep this method in your toolkit and you'll work more confidently and cleanly in your scene. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this segment if you want to see the selection and confirmation flow again.